Hey YouTube, this is a quick video on how to install an extension to the AC drain tube to get the condensation dripping off of your frame. We all know how these Toyota frames can rust real easily without the proper care. I live here in the mid-Atlantic, so the frame is coated with fluid film, but in addition to that, I've installed this extension. So let me show you how it looks. All right, so here are all the parts you'll need. I just use whatever is laying around the house. So I have an air fitting that I have sitting around, nothing special, just a brass air fitting from my compressor lines. And I have a section of, I believe this is like 3/4 inch clear tubing laying around, so you'll need a short section of that, zip tie to secure it, and this is optional but you don't need to. I have a tube clamp hose to secure the tubing, and the I have a Nipex clamper thingy. I'm not sure what you call it. Anyways, but these are all the parts you need. All right, so first of all, what you need to do is, I find it best just to jack it up and take the right front wheel off to have easy access. So remove the wheel, okay? And then you go behind this water flap or mud guard liner and remove just the two top ones, okay? All right, so here I popped off the two plastic nuts, and since I've already done it, I'm just showing you after the fact, but this DIY is so easy, literally took me 5 minutes. Okay, so you pull this back and there you see it. Okay, the outlet tube from the factory is black rubber, and all I did was I inserted the air fitting into there and I secure it with that clamp. Okay, and then the other end, just run it down the frame. Initially I ran it inside the ladder frame, but it was kind of close to the cat, so there's a lot of heat going on there, so I decided to run it outside of the frame instead, just to take it away from the air. The hot air from the cat, so no risking of melting the tube. But you can see condensation is draining down nicely away from the frame. Then, okay, and there it is. I run it to the outside of the frame and then secure it right there with a zip tie, and there you go. All your drainage is directly to the ground, away from the frame of your truck. So I like to keep my frame rust free, don't we all? Here's a shot from below. Okay, condensation is going directly to the ground, away from the box frame of your truck, where you could have rust developing on the inside and then eats its way out. Again, this is for mine is a 2008 GX470. Thanks for watching.